Okay, time to make some noises. Okay, ready? Ready? Are you going to do it some more? Want to do it some more? Gross, my hands are getting all slobbery. Gross. Can you show everybody your neat bib? Yeah, show everybody your bib. Easy, baby. Okay, that's neat. Hey, you want to make that noise again? The toenails are kind of long. So you turn it off and put the toenails. See that red light? Oh, now it's gone. Oh, there it is. Oh, now it's gone.